Okay, welcome back guys. This is a quick update for the business name we tried to record, and as you can see it has been denied. It's quite unfortunate. So let's click and see the reasons that are giving us these things happen from time to time. This is what we requested. Reason for rejection: similar, identical to a name already in existence. So that name already exists even though we searched. Alright, so it's saying insert words to sufficiently distinguish it. MRJ General Services, this is the number, Pinnacle. So I don't know how this is close to the Primer Digital Services, but whatever, I'm going to try again. So I'll keep trying and trying and trying until I'll get it right. So as you can see, these things don't take time. It's just yesterday that we did these things, but today we've gotten the reply. So I'm going to try again with a new set of names, and hopefully it will be approved. And when it is approved, I'm going to continue this video because I want it to be live. I want you to see these things happening, how it will be queried, how I'm going to respond to the queries, and how it should be approved. I want you to know these things happen every time. I mean, if you just put up a request and it sells through easily, then you are quite lucky, but these things happen, so you have to be ready for it. So that's just the update I wanted to chip in there. Do have a nice day. Thank you.